Hey. This membrane upgrade keyboard video is sponsored by my man Squarespace. Recently, if you haven't noticed, I've actually been really interested in mechanical keyboards. But while I was exploring more about mechanical keyboards, I actually found out about this new thing called membrane keyboards. Now yes, I know some of you may not know what membrane keyboards are, so... basically, they're keyboards that uses a thin piece of membrane as the switches instead of individual spring switches. Now these membrane keyboards actually have a lot of benefits. They're a lot cheaper. And yeah, that's pretty much it. They sound like ass, they don't have an ideal response rate, but yes, they are really affordable. So hear me out, right? What if we upgraded a membrane keyboard to actually sound good? It's gonna be a lot different than modding a normal mechanical keyboard, but I think we can get it done. Right after today's sponsor. Hi, I'm John Lee, owner of 3 companies, including Apple, and I have no idea how to make a website. But what if I told you there's an amazing website designer with modern templates, tools, and guides that will help you make your website as beautiful as it can be? And that will be today's sponsor. It's Squarespace. Squarespace. Dude, how do you forget it? It's literally said at the start of the video. Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one solution for web creation. I have actually personally used Squarespace as I really wanted to create a website where I can upload my keyboard projects and sell it to you guys at a huge discount. With a ton of templates on Squarespace, I could easily get my website up and going. Also, since Squarespace has mobile phone compatibility, most of you will be able to use the website without even needing a PC. Overall, I actually really enjoy using Squarespace, and it's actually probably one of the most easiest creation tools for websites out there. So head over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch your website, use squarespace.com/squashyboy or the promo code squashyboy for 10% off your first domain or website. Alright, and now back to the video. So to start this project, I actually went to the store and got an Armageddon keyboard. The keyboard name is called the AK666X, and it actually costed me around $25 US. I didn't choose it for any particular reason, it was just cheap and it was a membrane keyboard that I wanted to mod. Okay. Unboxing the keyboard and you will get just the keyboard. I mean, there's nothing else inside. The keyboard is fully made of plastic and it feels like plastic, and it also sounds like this. It's aight, I guess. So with the unboxing done, I got to work. I first disassembled the keyboard by taking off the keycaps. Unlike cherry stem keycaps, these keycaps are proprietary to the keyboard, so sadly we can't change them. They also fitted really tightly to the keyboard, so it took a while for them to all come out. Interestingly, the spacebar has 2 springs underneath it to make the feel a bit heavier, but we're gonna take them out because it caused a lot of rattle. Next, we're gonna loop the walls of the keycaps. This is where the contact happens, so in theory, this would help smoothen the keystroke while also dampening the sound of the keyboard. Looping is a tiring and boring process, so I actually looped the rest of the keyboard at twitch.tv/squashyboy, and me and the rest of the viewers had a really fun time. We basically talked about beer and stuff. I've never gotten drunk, nor have I gotten like high. Further dampening the sound, I actually explored something which in theory would work. So the keycaps have a hollow center which reverberates sound quite a lot. So I went out to get some sound dampening foam, and then I proceeded to cut them up and fill the gaps with foam. Yes, I know the sound dampening foam only works because of the pyramid peaks, but I just needed some foam which can dampen something. Next, I had to fix the stabilizers. I took some Permatex dielectric grease and looped the contact points. And with all that done, I reassembled the keyboard and here's how it sounds like. And that, my friends, is how you mod a membrane keyboard. So I personally think it's a huge upgrade from what it was, but let's see if my friend could tell the difference blindfolded. Hello, Bowman. Hello. Okay, Luis, so I have 2 keyboards for you.
No way!
I want you to try them out.
Alright.
This is the first keyboard.
Very nice. GMK Olivia.
Very nice.
Oh, what pandas.
I want you to try the second keyboard, okay? It's a bit of a chonker.
Okay.
So, be prepared.
Oh. Feels pretty good. Ooh.
Okay. Now take off your blindfold.
Oh my god, no way, dude!
Oh, by the way guys, this second take is scripted because the first take sounded like this. So I had to drive all the way to Louis' house to do it again.
Oh yeah, wait, do the proper one. It feels pretty good. Like for a membrane keyboard, it actually feels a tiny bit mechanical. I give it a solid 7 out of 10. No, 6.
Oh, what?
If you give it to someone who isn't familiar with mechanical keyboards, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't know this is mechanical or membrane.
Alright. Sick, thanks for having me. Head home now.
No
way! Dude, that's crazy! So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a thing or two. Like this video if you liked it. Dislike this video if you didn't like it. Comment down below your weight and I'll see y'all in another video. Cheers!